Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I will review a very special CarPlay adapter for Tesla car owners. Now, as you know, I've tested several CarPlay adapters in the past, but none of them worked in Tesla cars. Now, this new device from Carlinkit works only in Tesla cars. This is a simple plug and play adapter that connects with the USB plug in your Tesla and gives you the Apple CarPlay function on the screen. This compact dongle works in all Tesla series models but only with iPhones. So let's first do the unboxing of this adapter and then I will take this out to my Tesla, connect it and test the performance of this new Carlinkit Tesla wireless CarPlay adapter. So keep watching, guys. The first thing we get is a user manual. Now this is extremely important, especially for the initial setup because it involves a few critical steps. Then this is the main Carlinkit Tesla adapter. It's all black with plastic body and very lightweight. On the side of the adapter you have the USB Type-C port and the SIM card slot. And at the back you have these holes for ventilation. Then we get a connection cable which is USB Type A to Type C and another cable which is Type C to Type C, which I need for my Tesla today. So that's it, guys. This was a quick unboxing. Now let's take this out to my Tesla and test the performance of this Tesla adapter from Carlinkit. Alright guys, so we are all set in my Tesla. The first thing we need to do is insert a data SIM card with internet access. After that, connect the one end of the cable with the device and the other end with the USB plug in your Tesla. Next step is to go to the Wi-Fi connection on your Tesla screen and select this adapter, which is called AutoKit. In case it asks for a password, enter 88 and once the Wi-Fi is connected, go to the Wi-Fi settings, click on AutoKit and check the Remain Connected in Drive option. Next step is to go to the internet browser and type in testpush.com. So tespush.com. It will take you to this website. You simply need to add this site to your favorites. Mind you, all these steps are just for the initial connection setup. You just need to do this once. Now switch on the Bluetooth on your iPhone and select the AutoKit device. It will show up some messages like pairing, allowing it to sync favorites and contacts, and finally click on that Use CarPlay option. And then it will take a few seconds and you will see the home page of Apple CarPlay appear on your Tesla screen. Now I will not take you through the functions of CarPlay in detail. You can go and watch my other video where I've explained all the functions and features of CarPlay. I've shared the link of that video in the description below. Now one last step is to go to the Bluetooth settings on your Tesla and connect to this adapter by clicking on the AutoKit device. Now we are all set. Now let's test a few features of this CarPlay adapter. Let's first test Spotify. Alright, Spotify seems to be working and the steering wheel controls are also working fine, which is great. Now let's make a phone call. Hey Siri, call Dad.
Calling Dad.
Alright, so Siri is also working nice. That's amazing. That's it, guys. So this was a very quick review of this new wireless CarPlay adapter for Tesla from Carlinkit. If you would like to get this for your Tesla, just go to the link in the description of this video. That takes you to the official store of the makers where you can buy this amazing new device. Thanks for watching, guys.